Eating healthier is a great way to refocus your year. There are a few things that can make a huge impact on your health. Many people are really worried about the bottom line, which is maintaining a healthy weight. The majority of people who are successful with that actually eat breakfast every day. Research shows that most of the people who have lost weight and kept it off for 2 years or more eat breakfast. So plan yourself a breakfast every day, and that gets your day on track. The other thing that you can do is really plan one meal every day. It doesn't have to be complicated, and it doesn't have to be something really challenging. It can just be something like deciding what you're going to have. And the third thing you can do is really cut out all the extras, and that's a great way to clean up your diet by taking out extras that you really aren't able to enjoy because it's mindless eating.